Welcome to my channel. Here I am going to explain you about the new project we are launching in Sheriguda, Nandigama nearby Kollur, Velimala. So this project is about 11 acres where we are doing premium 200 square yards villas, which is of 2600 square feet duplex villas. So this is the elevation that we are going to give for east facing, and this is for west facing. So this is the street view. These are the floor plans. So let me just explain you why we have selected this area for doing the villas. So as you know, this is the financial district view. So this is ORR. If you go straight, you will reach Kollur exit number 2. And if you go to the left side, you know that the recently Neopolis auction has done, and it reached up to 60 crores. And average it is 40 crores per acre. So where there is a commercial and residential activities are happening. So our site is approximately about 10 kilometers to this project, Neopolis. And if you go little bit ahead, complete Gandipet Lake, and this is a Kokapet road. So this is actually Mokila. Let me just show you Kollur as well. So if you go here, Kollur exit number 2, this is Kollur. Most of the villas are happening, and even apartments are also happening here. So this is the project, Kollur location. Let me explain you in the master plan where our project comes. So if you see, this is the master plan. Our project is exactly located here. This is the outer ring road. This is the outer ring road, 150-meter outer ring road. And this is the Kollur exit. This is the Kollur exit. If you see left side, it is the Nagulpalli railway station. Right side is Tellapur, my home projects you can see. So this is completely Kollur. And if you go after railway track, there is a railway overbridge, underbridge planned here to reach Velimala. So once you get onto the Velimala road, there is a straight 100-feet road that is planned in the master plan. I can show you in the earth maps as well. So once you reach Nandigam, Velimala, so here is our project. 11 acres project is this survey numbers. So these survey numbers are actually in the residential zone of master plan as per HMDA 2031, which is the 1 kilometers to Nandigama road. This is Banur Nandigama Patancheru road. So as per master plan, it comes here in the residential zone. Nearby is a Kondakal Mokila. So from Kondakal, it is hardly 2 kilometers to our site. And Mokila is about 2.5 kilometers. So let me just show you in the maps itself where actually it comes. So this is the access route. This is the access route. So this is the access route from Kollur exit. If you take Kollur exit, go through villas here and straight road, it will be around 7.9 kilometers. So this is the future access. As of today, it is actually not a BT road, but in future it will become a 100-feet road. So if you are going to the site to check the site, go through Nandigam route, not through this route. So this is exactly 7.9 kilometers to the project. And if you go through Nandigama, this is the route. So from Kollur, if you have to go to straight through a service road, and at Party Junction, take left via Kardanur, cross Nandigama petrol bunk. From Nandigama, it is exactly 1 kilometers. So these are the master plan superimposed 30-meter roads on the earth maps you can see here. So our project is exactly located on the 100-feet road, which goes from Nandigama to Kondakal. So if you go and check in the earth maps, so let me show you what's happening around. Okay. So this is basically ORR. This is basically ORR. Right side you see is my home Ankura and my home Tridasha apartments. Left side, as you know, there's most of the land belongs to Aravindo. This is a Guardian school, Samishti school, and most of the land is Aravindo's land. You see most of the constructions are apartment constructions here in Kollur. premium apartments, and you come to the left side. This is RR7, which is under construction, which is almost about to finish till Kondakal. So this is RR7, radial road number 7, that is connecting ORR exit number 2 to Shankarpalli. So our project is exactly from Kondakal, it is 2 kilometers. If you are going through Velimala, so through Velimala road, if you go straight little bit ahead, you see there are a lot of villa projects here. So if you see, this is Elegance Empiria Villas. Once you cross this project, you see Narayana School. So this road is going, this road again you can see the villas here, La Hacienda Villas, Brickmore, Hallmark Vesta is an apartment project, and Radhe Villas, many villas are around. If you go little bit ahead, Nandan Serenity Villas are there, they are already constructed. Little bit ahead is Aditya Velimala, Aditya Empire Lifestyle. This is an apartment project and a villa project. So you have to go through this road. There is a Sukra Apartments also. One of my friends' project only, this one. This is going to happen soon. They applied for the permissions. So if you go a little bit ahead, you see Vishaka Road. So from Vishaka Road, if you take left side, you go to Kondakal Coach Factory and then Idul Nagalpalli Railway Station. If you go right side, again these are the MyFair Villas from BHL MyFair Villas. Go little bit ahead is a Sai Surya layout, and if you go a little bit ahead, it's Basham and other projects will come on Nandigama Road. Okay. So from this junction, if you go a little bit ahead, is again BHL MyFair Villas, Greenmark Villas, and you see this is Dukes County project. So once you cross the Dukes County project is our project. If you go a little bit straight, this is our project. Our project is exactly adjacent to Dukes County Phase 3 project, where in Dukes County per square yard price is around 38 to 40,000 per square yard. So here no one can do plotting layouts now. As I mentioned earlier also in the project, in the video where I was doing Kondakal Villas, I mentioned that no builder will come and do the plotting here. Even if he is going to do the plotting projects here, he has to put the minimum price as 35,000 to 40,000 per square yard because of the land cost. So our project is exactly located here on the 100 feet road in the master plan. So this is basically 11 acres project, and coming to the surroundings, you see this is a 100 feet road which is coming from Patancheru to Shankarpalli and reaching the Shankarpalli junction. As you know, in Shankarpalli also there are many villa projects coming around. Even in Velimala there are many villa projects and apartments are there. So if you come towards Kondakal, you know Kondakal, our project is only there already. And if you want to see the we have taken a video, short video. Let me just go through the video. So this is the Mumbai Highway, Old Mumbai Highway Road, ORR. This is the Nandigama Road. If you go a little bit ahead, this is the Vishaka Road. This is the Vishaka Road. This is Nandigama Village. So this is our project. Our project completely with all sheets in place. This is proposed 100 feet road. So little bit ahead, if you see, this is the overall area. See, these are the villas. These are the BHL villas which are ready to occupy, and our project is exactly located here. So adjacent to this layout, adjacent to Dukes County, water tank you see, right? This is the Dukes County layout. Adjacent to that is our project located. This is again Vishaka Road, 200 feet road. These are the MyFair Villas which are under construction. This junction road will go to Velimala. So this road goes to Velimala, this road goes to Nandigam. So this is the road. This is again radial road number 7 which is under construction. I wanted to show you guys that RR7 is at fast pace. So this is the RR7 radial road. This is My Home Tridasha Apartments and this is My Home Ankara. What you see is Tellapur here. This is exactly Kollur exit number 2. So this is a short drone video that we captured to show what's happening around. So these are the details. Yeah. So coming back to the project. So if you guys are interested to enter into this golden triangle, I know that few guys missed out already in this golden triangle. So if you guys wanted to invest in golden triangle, if your budget is a plot budget, not a villa budget, then that is your destination is our project. Because what we are going to here is we are going to provide you villa at a plot cost. You can easily compare that, because in Dukes County it is today 40,000 rupees per square yard. So if you are going to buy 200 square yards, it will be around 80-85 lakhs including registration. Our cost, we are providing nearby to that only, around 1 crore plus. So basically, if your budget falls around 1 crore and you are looking to buy a villa, so you can choose our project. And in recent times, many of the investors are going towards villas only, because with this budget, no one is going to get apartment also in Kokapet. Kollur also reached high prices. Average price in Kollur for apartments is around 4,800 to 5,000 rupees per SFT. And if you see My Home Tridasha, My Home and all are selling at 7,000, 6,500 rupees per SFT. So if you are going to invest here, the per SFT cost that we are going to give you around 3,500 change itself. So definitely by the time we'll launch the project, you can definitely see it is going to be around 7,000 rupees per square feet in next 1 year. So if you are going to invest in this zone, you can maybe kindly contact us in the numbers in the description. So yeah, so meanwhile, let me just show you the project, Kondakal project which we have done recently, where we are jointly doing with SARC projects. So this is our project, existing project. Coming to this, we have already done the land registrations on our name, and there is a office also going to set up here. You can see the picture that is kept, and Square SARC Villas. So yeah, definitely the next project, like Velimala project, is also going to become a strategic location. So yeah, so let us see how it goes. Thank you guys.